Welcome back to Living in Central Mississippi. Today we're taking a closer look at Crossview Plantation, one of Brandon, Mississippi's most exciting new residential communities. If you're thinking about moving to Central Mississippi and want space, schools, and convenience all in one, this is a neighborhood you'll definitely want to check out. And stay tuned for the end of the video for a walkthrough of a new listing and a client testimonial. Crossview Plantation is located off Hollybush Road in Brandon, just minutes from Highway 25. That means you're only a short drive from downtown Brandon, Flowood, and even Jackson, while still enjoying that peaceful countryside feel. This neighborhood was developed and designed with space in mind. Lot sizes here range from 1 to 3 acres, which is almost unheard of in most new development. That gives you plenty of room for privacy, outdoor living, or even adding a pool or shop. The homes themselves are beautiful. Most are new builds with modern designs, open floor plans, and upscale finishings. Prices typically fall in the mid 500,000s to the 800,000s, with average home size starting around 2,900 square feet. So if you're looking for a new home with room to spread out, Crossview Plantation delivers. Now let's talk schools, because that's a major factor for a lot of families moving to the area. Crossview Plantation is served by Rankin County School District, one of the top districts in Mississippi, known for its strong academics and a wide range of extracurriculars. For those looking at private education, Hartfield Academy is just down the road with a full K-3 through 12 program, and it's consistently praised for its academics, athletics, and community. So whether you're interested in public or private, you've got great options close to home. One of the best parts about living in Crossview Plantation is that you don't have to sacrifice fun and convenience. For entertainment, you're just a quick drive to the Brandon Amphitheater, which hosts major concerts and community events year-round. Downtown Brandon also has a growing historic district with unique shops and restaurants. If you've got kids, you'll love having places like Shiloh Splash Pad, Pump It Up, and the Launch Trampoline Park nearby. Sports fans can head over to Pearl for a Mississippi Mud Monsters game, which is always a family favorite. And for a night out, you're close to Flowood's Dogwood Festival Market with endless shopping and dining options. Or you can stick closer to home with local spots like Jenna Benna's, Burgers Blues Barbecue, or a quick stop at the Gallows in Brandon. So while Crossview Plantation feels quiet and tucked away, you're never far from the action. Welcome to 276 Disciple Drive, located in Crossview Plantation in Brandon, Mississippi. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and it does sit on an acre lot, and it features 2,670 square feet, and it is currently priced at $799,000. Coming through the front door, you are greeted by a formal entryway, brick detail on the arches, formal dining to your right. And as you continue into the living room, it is an open floor plan, gas fireplace, engineered hardwood flooring. Moving into the kitchen, you do have leathered granite countertops, backsplash stainless steel appliances, gas cooktop, coffee bar, custom cabinetry with inset cabinets. And you also have another eating area or sitting room to the side of the kitchen. And coming through this side, and it is a 3-car garage, so going towards the garage. You do have a walk-in pantry, complete with drawers. So moving down the hallway, you do have a walk-in laundry room with sink and cabinets. In addition to this being a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, it does have an additional office as well. That is straight ahead is the door to the 3-car garage, mudroom area. And then going back to the kitchen living, let's go to this side with the 3 bedrooms. So this is a split plan, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths on one side. So this is the front bedroom, and And they do have good sized closets. So that is a queen size bed, plenty of room. And this is the hallway bath. So leathered granite countertops in here as well. Shower bath combo. Moving into the second bedroom. They do have this set up as a home gym right now, but plenty of room. And all three of these bedrooms are very similar in size. So this is the third bedroom, and on the back of the house, it does have its own ensuite bath. Very good size. Leather countertop as well with the bath shower combo. So coming back through the living, we will go to the primary. Very large primary bedroom, engineered hardwood flooring. You do have the wood detail tray ceilings. Double doors into the primary bath. Separate garden soaking tub. The leathered granite double vanities. Full length mirror across the entirety. Standalone separate shower. Separate water closet with shelving above. And then the primary closet. Tons and tons of hanging room, drawers, lots and lots of space in this primary closet. And then my personal favorite part of the house, and I believe everyone else's, is the back living space. So you step onto the back porch, it's just a dream back here. You have the fireplace, vented through the roof line, the screens that come down on each side of it, TV, all new siding, professionally landscaped. Again, this home sits on an acre lot, 16 by 32 gunite pool with the water feature, plenty of decking around it. The landscape, this lot, this yard, the pool, everything is immaculate.
Hey, we want to give the highest recommendation possible to our realtor, Tinsley Mitchell of Taylor Group. I mean, she did such a great job for us. We lived in Florida and we're moving to Mississippi. We're new to the area, knew nothing about it. I mean, Tinsley, she answered all of our questions promptly. I mean, whether we sent her an email, text, phone, she was always there, always prompt to get back with us. We didn't have to wait to find out anything, and the sale was smooth, which probably would be the case with most realtors, but Tinsley went above and beyond expectations. After that, I mean, she answered all the questions we had about the area. She was here for us long after the sale. And I mean, if you're looking for a realtor, Tinsley is going to get it all done for you. She's the one. So.
Highly recommend Tinsley and Taylor Realty.
To sum it up, Crossview Plantation gives you the best of both worlds. Large lots, new construction homes, and a peaceful setting, while still being close to schools, shopping, restaurants, and entertainment. It's perfect for families who want room to grow or anyone looking for that balance of country living with city convenience. If you'd like more information on homes available here in Crossview Plantation, my contact is in the description below, or you could always visit www.taylorgroupms.com. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our neighborhood spotlight. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next video.